Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, December 12th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I've had some people reach out to me and ask me about attraction marketing. And what I thought I would do is I've used a program, a course before. It's a free boot camp that I used in the past that helps you, or it shows you how to get 3 to 5 new leads every single day using attraction marketing. And I thought it was a really good, training. I've gone through it, like I said, several times. I used the methods in there today, using YouTube and Facebook. And it's something that, if you're interested in learning how you can get 3 to 5 new leads every single day with minimal work, then check out the link below this video, and that'll take you to a free boot camp where this training is offered. Okay, so it's a highly recommended program. Like I said, I used it. It's done by very successful marketers, and I think it'll help you out and help anybody out. You don't necessarily have to be in Got Backup. You can be in any network marketing company. It works for anything, and it's just a really good program. So if you're interested in that, the link is down below. Also, I just want to mention that we know there's just a couple more weeks left of December, and I'm not sure how much longer the $9.97 special is that we got going on is going to last. I'm pretty sure it's going to go through, at least through Christmas, but I'm not 100% sure. But now is a good time to join Got Backup for only $9.97, and then $9.97 for each month thereafter. Or you can join for a year and pay $99.97 and get 2 months for free. Now, this also makes a good gift. If you have children in school, or maybe somebody who has a business, or other family members that could benefit from saving all of their data on their phones or desktops, laptops, tablets, this is a great gift, because not only are they getting the software, but you can actually set them up with their own global business. Okay, so they're going to get a complete marketing tool suite with all the lead capture pages and the ad copy and banner ads and everything that they need to get started to run their global business successfully. We have trainings all throughout the week. One of them is about ready to start in 13 minutes, and I'm going to be jumping on as soon as I'm done this video. And so it's a good Christmas gift for somebody. You can just go and pay for the whole year. $99.97. It's a great gift because they get awesome software, and they're going to have a chance to share this opportunity with other people and make commissions. All right. It's also, if you want to gift yourself something for Christmas, it makes an awesome gift. There's no other place on earth that I know of where you can start a global business opportunity for less than $10. Okay. So anyway, I just wanted to make this quick video and talk to you about the Attraction Marketing Bootcamp. That link is down below. There's also a link down below where you can still join Got Backup, get the software, and become a reseller for only $9.97. So I hope everyone has a great rest of their day. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. If you find any value in any of these, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and like I said, I really do appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.